If you are facing slow download speeds in Windows 10 and 11, then watch this video till the end. At first, go to the search bar and type for settings, open it. Then from the left menu, go to network and internet. Then select Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi name. And from here, you will see method connection over here. Make sure this is turned off in order to get the fastest download speed possible. Now, once you have done that, we are going to the search box once again and search for data usage and click on data usage overview to open it. And then under more settings, click on data usage to open it. Here you will see a list of applications that consume your network resources. So what you want to do here is just go through this list carefully and uninstall any applications that you may not need on your computer. And you might find that some applications might be running in the background also consuming resources of your internet. Once done, you can check if your download speed is improved. While the next solution lies under control panel, go to the search box and type control panel, open it, go to network and internet, and then go to network and sharing center. Here from the left side, click on change adapter settings and then select your Wi-Fi name, right click on it and click on properties. Here you will see a list of the items that uses this connection, and then we are going to search for this internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Select it and click properties. Then here you will see obtain DNS server address automatically is turned on. Simply select on use the following DNS server addresses, and here type 8888 and in the alternate DNS server type 8844 and press OK, and you can close this out. The next fix, go to search box and type cmd, open the command prompt as an administrator by right clicking on it, and here you will see this window where you have to write this command ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Now once you have done that, you can check if that improved your download speed. If nothing is working for you, then try disconnecting from any VPNs in any browser or a complete system, because in most of the cases VPN slows your internet speed if nothing is working for you from the before said methods. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.